Everyone wants to live in their dream home, but rising costs and real estate prices can make finding the perfect house a tall order.
It took us a while to find the perfect house. There was a lot of criteria. We were looking for a huge yard for the kids to play in. We wanted a swimming pool, modern bathrooms, and a centralized location. And we finally found this house, and although we knew we needed to renovate some of it, it did have a lot of the things we were looking for.
Taking on a major remodeling project to fit your style is one thing, but having the financial freedom to create your dream home is another.
So we moved into this house and we had no idea how we were going to do all of these renovations, and there was a lot to do. So we didn't want to dip into our savings. It was really important that we found a way to finance the renovations in order to get exactly what we wanted.
So one thing homeowners may not realize is that there are a number of different options that they can consider in terms of assisting them with being able to afford a significant home improvement project. Homeowners are often surprised about the fact that these kinds of financing programs are available for these kinds of projects. They know about mortgages to buy a home, they know about loans to buy automobiles, but oftentimes they don't know that these kind of financing programs are available to do a bathroom remodel or a kitchen remodel or to replace the windows and doors on their homes.
It was really important to me to have a brand new kitchen and brand new bathrooms and make everything really modern and beautiful. So those were the first things that we decided to renovate. To make all of these improvements happen, we met with a contractor and they introduced us to Aqua Finance, and they sent us a few different options to look at.
Aqua Finance has 30+ years of experience making financing options available so homeowners can make the improvements they need.
Aqua Finance is a lender that provides homeowners with financing programs offered through contractors or dealers. We've provided a number of different financing programs, including windows and doors, roofing, siding, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, and water treatment systems, a pool, or even purchase recreational products. Aqua has relationships with 5,000 contractors across the country, almost 350,000 unique loan customers in our portfolio. For example, a homeowner works with a contractor to arrange a home improvement project. They don't know that financing is available. The contractor helps them understand the financing options, and that's where Aqua comes in. At that point, the homeowner would complete a credit application that the contractor would submit on their behalf to Aqua. Aqua Finance would evaluate the application and then provide back an approval outlining the different loan terms that we're comfortable with. Then the homeowner can focus on getting their home improvement project completed. These financing options can really help to de-stress a situation for consumers because they know they have the financial ability to repay a loan over a period of time versus having to try to come out of pocket with a significant expense all at one time. So one of the real benefits for homeowners is the fact that these improvements are not only beneficial to helping them enjoy living in their homes, but also increasing the value of their homes over time. Some of the things homeowners should look out for when considering financing is to ensure that they understand their monthly budget and the payment amount of the loan, but beyond payment amount, understand all the different terms of that loan, the interest rate, the term of the loan, any promotional programs that are associated with that loan. That would really give homeowners much more comfort as they're evaluating taking on a loan in order to perform a home improvement project.
Aqua Finance not only helps homeowners upgrade their homes, but they also make it easier to enjoy lifestyles they're passionate about.
So now that we finished the house, one of the things we really wanted was an RV to go cross country with our family, and Aqua Finance is able to make that happen for us.
So we not only want homeowners to improve their homes, but also to do things that they love, like RVing or being in a boat, and Aqua provides financing for those kind of products as well.
Sometimes when you're working with finance and loans, the process can become very overwhelming, but Aqua Finance walked me through everything so I can understand it, and they made the process so easy.
To learn more about the financing services provided by Aqua Finance, visit aquafinance.com and designingspaces.tv.